Stop wrestling with tangled hoses and awkward rewinds. There's an easier way to water. One that's neat, stable, and hands-free. This lightweight watering accessory gives you 25 meters of hose and a foot-operated rewind system, so you can reel in your hose smoothly without bending or fumbling. Its sturdy base keeps it steady, while the compact, UV-protected housing shields the hose from sun damage and wear, extending its life and keeping your setup tidy. With durable rust-resistant fittings, a spray nozzle, and secure connectors included, it's everything you need for simple, effective garden care, ready to go when you are. Great for big or small gardens, lawns, and everyday use. It's practical, portable, and built for effortless watering. Choose the Footstep hose reel from Garden Master. Easy watering, sorted. Available from Builders Warehouse, Game and Macro stores nationwide.